So for our balance assessment, we'll be checking in with 5 different levels of difficulty to figure out which level you're able to balance for 60 seconds straight without any errors. So level 1 is just a narrow stance. Almost everyone should be able to do this, but always worth checking if you are unsure about your balance. So take note, can you hold this position for 60 seconds? Next up is a split stance. So all we're doing is just sliding one foot down like that so that the big toe is next to the heel, like so. And then from here, again, can you do 60 seconds in a row without any errors? And also it's good to check the other side, like so. From there, to increase the difficulty, level 3 is coming from that split position to a tandem position. So that just means your big toe is now, or your whole foot is directly behind the other foot, like so. Again, 60 seconds with no errors, and swap the feet and check both. From there, level 4 is coming into a single leg position. So just lifting the other leg up and holding 60 seconds, and obviously check with both sides. And the last level, level 5, is with your eyes closed. So exact same thing, just closing your eyes, which does make it a lot more challenging. Bonus is obviously if you have something like a soulmate or a beam or anything that is a less flat surface, anything that's domed in any way, that will also be a challenge that you could do any of those assessments in as well. So narrow, split, tandem, single leg. So take videos of you balancing and also take note of, first of all, which level are you able to balance for 60 seconds straight with no errors, and then the level above that you're unable to, take note of how many errors you make in that 60-second period, and then check in with that assessment every week or so as you start to include more foot and balance training in your daily routine so that you can keep a track of your progress.